In today's collaborative work environment, Microsoft Teams has emerged as a central communication and collaboration platform for countless organizations. Primarily known for its chat, video conferencing, and file sharing capabilities, a natural question arises for project managers and teams alike. Can you effectively use Microsoft Teams as a project management tool? The short answer is yes, with caveats. While Teams isn't a dedicated project management software like Asana, Trello, or Jira, it offers a range of features and integrations that can be leveraged to manage projects, especially for smaller teams or projects with less complex requirements. Understanding its strengths and limitations is crucial to determining if Teams can serve as your primary project management hub. At its core, Teams provides a robust platform for communication and collaboration, which are fundamental pillars of successful project management. The channel-based structure allows teams to organize discussions around specific projects, tasks, or topics, ensuring that relevant conversations are kept together and easily accessible. This eliminates the clutter of endless email threads and fosters real-time communication, enabling quicker decision-making and problem-solving. File sharing and co-authoring within Teams are also significant assets for project management. Teams can serve as a central repository for all project-related documents, from project charters and plans to meeting minutes and deliverables. The ability for multiple team members to simultaneously work on documents stored in SharePoint directly within Teams streamlines collaboration and ensures everyone is working with the latest version. Furthermore, Teams offers basic task management functionalities through its integration with Microsoft Planner. Planner provides a visual, board-based interface where tasks can be created, assigned to team members, set with due dates, and tracked through different stages, buckets. This integration allows teams to manage simple task lists and track progress directly within their familiar Teams environment. While Planner lacks the advanced features of dedicated project management tools, it can be sufficient for managing smaller, less intricate projects. Beyond Planner, Teams' strength lies in its integration capabilities with a wide array of Microsoft and third-party applications. This allows teams to bring in functionalities that are not natively available within Teams. For instance, you can integrate Microsoft Lists to create and manage more structured lists for tracking risks, issues, or project requirements. Similarly, integrating Power BI dashboards can provide visual insights into project progress and performance metrics. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the limitations of using Teams as a dedicated project management tool. Teams lacks several features that are considered essential for managing complex projects effectively. These limitations include advanced task management. Planner, while useful for basic task tracking, lacks features like dependencies between tasks, critical path analysis, resource allocation views, and detailed progress tracking beyond simple status updates. Comprehensive project planning. Teams doesn't offer built-in tools for creating detailed project plans with timelines, Gantt charts, or resource leveling. Risk and issue management. While you can use lists for this purpose, Teams doesn't have a dedicated, integrated system for logging, tracking, and managing project risks and issues with associated owners and mitigation plans. Budget and resource management. Teams lacks native features for tracking project budgets, managing resource availability, and monitoring project costs. Reporting and analytics. While integrations with Power BI can provide some reporting capabilities, Teams doesn't offer built-in, customizable project-level reports and analytics. Portfolio management. For organizations managing multiple projects, Teams lacks the centralized overview and portfolio-level reporting capabilities found in dedicated project management software.